All right, for this program, we are going to compute an employee's after-tax pay. I'm always like using Google Sheets or something to calculate what I'm going to get after taxes are taken out, but we're going to go ahead and write a JavaScript program to do this for us. So we have an ID of hours, an ID of wage, calculate pay function, and an output div. So let's go ahead and copy this. We'll say function, the name of the function. Let's get our input. So I'll say let hours equals document dot get element by ID hours, whoops, dot value, and then this whole thing will have to get parsed because it is going to be a number. So we'll say parse float, okay, and then I'm just going to copy that line of code, and then instead of hours, we're going to say wage for each of those. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so we can see it better. Okay, so there's our input, and then we'll say let pay equals, and we just need to multiply hours by wage, and then we're going to remove 15% for all of our taxes. So I'm just going to say times 0.85, okay, which will give us the remainder of that 15% that was taken off. Okay, lastly, let's output it to the user. We'll say document.getElementById, output div dot inner HTML equals pay. And let's save that, and let's run it. So I'm going to say I worked 20 hours, making $10 an hour, and we made $170. Okay, well, let's go ahead and make this look a little bit nicer. Let's make that actually look like money. So what we're going to do is in here, we are going to run a function on this number. So we've already seen .toFixed. Okay, numbers have all these functions available to them. One of them is toLocaleString. And so I'm just going to run that and watch what happens. Well, let's add a $sign too. So we'll throw a $sign right there plus our pay. Okay, now watch what happens. Let's say I worked 100 hours and I make $150 an hour. We'll hit calculate pay and look at that. Okay, that toLocaleString went ahead and added a comma right there. If I worked more hours, you can see I added multiple commas, and then I went ahead and added that $sign. So pretty slick. Hopefully this helps. And I'll see you guys in the next video.